Hello and welcome to the quick demo video for Augment Suite. Now in the next few minutes, I'll show you how anybody can create engaging augmented reality campaigns for any business in minutes using the power of Augment Suite. First, let us log into Augment Suite. This is the dashboard that you will see. From here you can create any type of augmented reality campaign in just a few clicks. Now we'll first create a store. Campaigns are organized under a store. Click on Store and we can create a new store. Just fill up a few basic details right here like store name, location, currency, and store URL. You can also upload a store logo, save, and you are done. Next, we can create 3 types of campaigns under this store. First, experience campaigns. Second, spatial try-on. And third, virtual try-on. Let's quickly create a new experience. Let us select the store that we just created, give this a title, and then hit on Create an Experience. Boom, it's done. Now we can go ahead and set up the experience. Here you can find the default QR code for your experience, which you can download and use anywhere. You can also add additional layer of QR code based trigger if required and customize it here. Let's just go with the default QR code that is already available. Let us go ahead and customize the media that you need to show when the user enters this experience by clicking on Show Media. There are different types of media that we can set up here: video, 3D, image, product, opt-in, CTA, redirect, HTML5 game. You can also add background audio and text along with other media. Let's quickly add a video URL here and click on Add. You can see it got added here on the right side pane. You can also add more media in the same scene. Let's try to add a product. Click on Product. Upload the product image, price, title, description. You could even customize the button text and color. Here is the best part. You could even collect payments. Integrate your PayPal and Stripe with Augment Suite, or you can even give an external payment link. Now once you update, you could see it on the right pane. You could click on respective media to customize it. If you are done, click to publish. You could also add opt-ins to generate leads or any call to action. You could add images, 3D files, and so much more. You could also redirect to any URL of your choice. You could even include an HTML5 game as part of your experience. You could also add more scenes by clicking on the plus button here. Now let's just go ahead and click on Publish. Let's go back to the main dashboard. This is the campaign we just created. From actions, we can edit, share, get QR code, or even delete the campaign. Share lets you share directly on social media profiles: Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and Telegram. You could do the same for other types of campaigns as well. You could also copy the campaign URL and share anywhere or embed it using the embed code. You can even download the QR code and share it anywhere. We will see how the experience campaign that we just created looks like. Here it is, the video that we added and the product we just created along with the payment option. Created in minutes, effortless, easy, and helps you add another level of information and increases engagement. Now let us move on here to the spatial try-on campaign. Go ahead and create a new campaign at this point. You could go ahead and choose the store, give a title, slug URL, choose a banner. You can now add the product file in the required format for Android and iOS, submit, and done. Now let's take a look at the campaign we just created. It's incredible how your customers will be able to visualize objects right inside their space without having to step out of their house. Just share this campaign on social media or share the QR code or link anywhere to start seeing incredible results. Now let us create a virtual try-on campaign. This is the ability to help your customers try on objects on them without touching anything. Select the store, give a title. Next, you need to choose a type. You can choose makeup, earring, sunglasses, hat. Under makeup, you can choose all these different types of makeup listed here in this drop-down. You could then set up all the other details, including payment information, call to action, price, and other details about your product. You could also create additional items by clicking on Add New Item, then submit it to create a campaign. You could share the campaign anywhere using QR code, link, embed, or even directly onto any social media. Take a look at the campaign we just created. How comfortable would it be for your customers to sit inside their homes and still have a trial room experience or a showroom experience to see how the product looks on them and make informed buying decisions that way? All this is possible only with Augment Suite. You saw how easy it is to create campaigns using Augment Suite. Let me also show you a few other powerful features. You could find the leads generated in the My Leads section, and you could find all the orders generated in the My Orders section. You can even find deep analytics about your campaign performance right here in the Insights section. Now, there is a separate integration section where you can connect your autoresponders and payment gateways to collect leads, grow your list, and even collect payments. Augment Suite is everything you need to run successful and profitable augmented reality campaigns. There's so much more that you could do with Augment Suite, which cannot be covered fully in this short demonstration. We have step-by-step training videos that will guide you through the process of creating engaging campaigns. But all I can say is, it's super simple to create augmented reality campaigns using Augment Suite, even if you have zero technical expertise. Thank you for watching this video. We cannot wait to see you on the inside.